In this video, I'll show you how to download and install WindScribe VPN on your computer or laptop step by step. WindScribe VPN is a software application that protects your internet privacy and security when you browse online. Let's get started. You're going to open any web browser and search this. Here you're going to be selecting based on the device that you have. I have Windows, so I'm going to select Windows, then click Download. Open Downloads folder and open this file. Here click Yes. And here you're just going to simply click Install. As you can see, it's now installed. This is all you need to do to download and install WindScribe VPN on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.